In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at the automatic running boards that are available as a factory option on the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. There are a couple ways to control the running boards. You can either manually put them out and bring them back in, or you can have them automatically controlled with the doors. So when I open and close it, they'll go in and out. We also get the step here at the rear of the truck. So if we drop down the tailgate, this step pops out and you can easily climb in. And likewise, we can close that and this will retract back to the bed. So I've got Emma and Eli here for this video because that's the best way to demonstrate the functionality of these electronic running boards. So you'll see as I open up the door, the running boards drop down. Go ahead and climb on in, kids. You'll see how easy it is for two little kids to climb in. One of the nice things about these running boards is they retract out of the way so it doesn't affect your ground clearance when you're driving. So we can close that and they'll close right back up. Pretty cool feature. So now we'll go ahead and have the kids come on out. And next we're gonna do a test with the running boards turned off and see how that goes climbing in. Want a hand, buddy? Yep. Nope? All right. Two very independent children. Look at them go. Nice work, kids. All right, so for the next test, we're gonna have them climb in with the running boards turned off. So Emma, you go ahead and climb in first there, kiddo. And Eli, you'll go next. See, she can get in, but it's a little bit of a struggle. Eli, how's it going, bud? Lift you in, you can't get in? All right, I'll lift you in. So as you can see, a very useful feature for a parent with young kids. So there you go, that's a look at the factory electronic running boards for the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos of the all-new Tundra, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.